Ever wondered who's behind the powerful AI responses you see every day? There's a field called prompt engineering that's revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. In this video, we'll explore what prompt engineering is, how you can make a career out of it, and the amazing benefits of diving into this emerging field. So let's get started. Let's break it down. Prompt engineering is the process of designing and refining the prompts or inputs we give to AI systems to get useful, accurate, and creative outputs. When you ask an AI like ChatGPT a question or give it a task, the phrasing, context, and structure of that input directly affect the results. And that's where prompt engineers come in. They craft prompts to achieve specific, desired outputs from AI models. This field is especially crucial for companies building AI-driven products and tools, as prompt engineering helps maximize the AI's capabilities while making it user-friendly. With AI tools growing in every industry, from healthcare to entertainment to customer service, the demand for skilled prompt engineers is skyrocketing. As companies look to automate and enhance human-AI interactions, they need experts who can fine-tune these interactions for best results. Think of it as being part tech, part psychology, understanding both the limits and potentials of AI while grasping how humans interact with technology. It's a unique, creative, and highly valuable skill. Let's talk benefits. Why should you consider prompt engineering as a career? 1. High demand and competitive salary. Prompt engineering is in high demand, with companies willing to pay competitive salaries for skilled professionals. 2. Opportunity to shape AI experiences. You'll be at the forefront of designing human-AI interactions, creating tools that could define how people interact with technology. 3. Creative and technical growth. This career combines creativity with tech, giving you room to grow in both areas. You're constantly learning and innovating in a fast-evolving field. If the perks of this career option looks good to you, a completer prompt engineering course is to be launched on this channel. I would request you to subscribe to Pro Developing Champs so that you may not miss any updates related to it. Thank you.